Welcome to the introduction to Illustrator CS5 for East Career and Technical Academy. In this episode, I'm just going to do a quick overview for those that are joining us for the first time that are not students at East Tech. This course was originally designed as a 10-week course in a Mac lab. So if you are running a PC, you're going to notice a lot of the shortcuts we talk about you won't be able to do because there's not a command key on your PC. However, if you use Control in most cases, it will work the same. So in other words, Command V, which would bring up the selection tool, if you do a Control V, should do the same thing. My suggestion is pull up a shortcut list of modifiers for Illustrator and then do the conversion as you go along. There are also some lessons that will not show up. We had creative art days where we'll actually take time to put to practice everything that we had learned. I'm expecting you to do that on your own. One last thing I would like to bring up is as we are going into Illustrator, if I go to open a new file, there's certain things you need to kind of understand. First of all, we use a lot of two artboard setups, and that's because a lot of times students will need to work with a partner. You do not need to do that. If you go to New Document Profile, if we go to Print, this will automatically set up one artboard. You should be fine with one artboard. As I also go out to Print, if you look at this, we have basic CMYK, that stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. That is your standard printer setup. So if you are doing something for a printer, that would be a CYMK. RGB would be something that would be used for a computer screen or a movie or video, and that stands for red, green, blue. That's how the colors are distributed. But if we do print, what will actually happen is you will be in a standard CYMK setup, so you will be set up for print. A few things that we also take for granted in this series is that we are going to be using orientation of portrait, but you can also go landscape if you choose to. So you have those items there as well. You also have the opportunity to either go with points, picas, inches, millimeters, centimeters, or pixels. So these are things that we will not be covering in this series, but you might need for your own benefit. So there you go. Thank you for watching this short introduction, and hope you enjoy the series.